What's up guys, it's Matt Collins-Jones here, also known as the D365 Geek, and today we are looking at the Wave 2 2020 preview features, and we're going to look at the one which is email attachment enhancements. So this is some new functionality that have come to the email attachment functionality inside of Dynamics 365 or model-driven Power Apps, and we're going to look at the differences between the two today. So I'm going to start off by showing you the old interface, and then we're going to switch on to the new one and show you how it's improved. So this is my old environment. So this is one that doesn't have the Wave 2 2020 features installed on it. And I'm inside an email here, and we have the attachments pane on the right. So I can upload attachments in here or use the command bar here. If I choose here, I have new attachment or seal records. If I go to seal records, it's going to try and navigate me to another screen. But if I click on new attachments, it'll prompt me with a attachment upload option. So I can click here and I can choose a file and just find something. So this is fine. Choose that and I can click attach. And after a few seconds, we can see it's here. So I can click to view click the file to view it, or click to remove it, and it tells me the bytes here. So I can remove it from here, or I can click this button, and what it does is it downloads it for me again, which isn't particularly useful. It's great if you need to download these things, but it's not the best user experience. If I close this box, we can see I have the item over here. From the three dots, I have a few options, so I can select it. I can sort it by various things, and that's about it. If I select it, I then have the ability to delete it from here, or if I unselect it here, if I click it, it just brings me back to this dialog here, and then I don't really have many other options other than delete. So that is the current experience, but what about the new experience coming in October? So let's switch over to that environment. So I have two attachments in here already. I have a Excel spreadsheet, and I also have that same PDF that we uploaded. If I go to the button, the command button, and then click new attachment, instead of popping up with that old window, it pops up with just the Windows Explorer. So already that's fewer clicks, that's good. If I navigate to my desktop and grab a file from there, just a PNG, I can upload that and it goes in straight away. So that's really great. But what about the enhancements? So firstly, one click instead of two clicks, that's a good thing in my book. But we also have the ability to preview things. So if I click on that file that I've just uploaded, it brings up an attachment preview. So from here I can see, okay, what is this? This is a picture that I've taken in Power Automate, and it's showing the Office 365 Outlook connector, and I have the ability to download it if I want to. But I know what this file is now because I've just clicked and opened it. It also works the same with PDFs. So with the PDF, I can do some other stuff as well. So I can zoom out, I can zoom in, I can rotate all the different ways. I can download it. I can fit to page. Yeah, fit to page. So I can do that. I can also print it directly from here as well. So I have the ability to print it without needing to download it at all, or I can download it. So I have all of these options and this great PDF viewer built in now that I can use, an attachment viewer built in. There are a few exceptions. Not every file has a preview, so you currently have previews for images and for PDFs. I think maybe for Word documents as well. We can test that out if I have any Word documents, that is. But we don't have that functionality for Excel spreadsheets. So if I click on the Excel spreadsheet at the top, it just prompts me to download it. You can also see we get a bit more information in this view as well. So we have the note, which I think is followed, which is like if you send an email to someone and then they open the attachment, it'll say, was it opened or not? I think that's what that one is. And the numbers underneath it is the byte size. So again, we do have the cool sorting functions where we can sort by bytes and things like that, and we can select things. But when we select things here, we can download them in a group, which is really cool. You can still do that in the current one, I believe. I just thought it was a cool feature. But as we click into here, I have three options. I have preview, download, or delete. So I don't just have delete now, I have preview, download, and delete. So this is a really cool enhancement to the email functionality for attachments inside Dynamics. I really hope that this feature comes to Notes as well and those attachments. And we already have this sort of stuff for the built-in image file, the image fields. But I'd really like to see this come to Notes as well, and the file types as well. To be able to preview images without having to download them in browser would be a lifesaver. You don't end up with loads of erroneous files in your downloads folder like I have after this video. So yeah, I love this feature. I think this is a great usability enhancement for users. But as always, I want to know what you guys think. Do you think this is good? Are there any changes you'd make? Any more features that you would like to see Microsoft add in? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, if you could like and share it, that would be appreciated. If you've not already, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.